So you can see this is another GC Hyip template. So check it out. GC Hyip templates. Let's sign in and see. I'll see. Make a deposit. Make price. Choose this. Spend from. You can click on spend after selecting. You can see wallet address here. You can change this from your admin. Then user puts in his transaction ID here and then makes a save. Then on the admin, you can now approve it. You can see it said the deposit has been saved to become active when the administrator checks statistics. So you can see you can also do your withdrawal. Currency, Bitcoin. Let's say $50. So you can put the wallet here, wallet address for withdrawal here. And click on request. Let's see. And click on confirm. Let's see. Withdrawal request saved. So that's it for this. So you can sign out. So this is a nice GC Hyip script template. So you can see everything is intact. About us. Let's see. Can edit all this as a web designer. Let's see. Everything is structured.